Start by greasing your rectangular baking dish. Line the base of your dish with your nutty crusts. In a medium saucepan, add in your condensed milk. Followed by your boiling water, lemon zest, vanilla essence, and butter, and bring that mixture to a boil. In a large mixing bowl, add in your corn flour and cold water and mix. Add your egg yolks to this mixture and mix. Then finally add your salt and mix well. Add your egg yolk mixture to your condensed milk mixture and mix well. It should start to thicken up. Let it simmer on low heat until it is thick like custard. In a large mixing bowl, whisk your egg whites until they form soft peaks. Add in your condensed milk mixture a tablespoon at a time so that you don't scramble your egg whites. Add in about 5 tablespoons, one at a time. Add your egg white mixture to your condensed milk mixture and mix well. Pour your mixture over your lined baking dish and let it set for 4 hours to set. Then sprinkle it with your cinnamon and enjoy.